Hey guys, I just wanted to take a second just to show you how durable and smudge proof LipSense is. As you can see, I have it on. It doesn't come off. So I thought I'd do something a little different just to show you. So I am going to video myself eating a sandwich. It's really good. This, guys, is from Panera. The turkey, apple, and cheddar sandwich. Excuse me. It's so good. Seriously, got to try it. Seriously. It's got apple and cheese and arugula and turkey. Some kind of slaw stuff. It's like on this cranberry bread. It is the bomb. You see? You can see I'm eating nothing. Nothing on my straw. Guys, I know I look like ridiculous right now. I just want you to see how cool it is. But it doesn't come off. So you don't have to, eat your lunch and then reapply as soon as you get done. You just eat.
Mommy.
Hold on. Yes.
I need you to go upstairs with me.
I will. Do you want to be on the video? You want to be on the video? Come here. Come here.
I don't want to say
hello. Tell everyone. Say LipSense is so cool.
LipSense is so cool.
Buy it from my mom.
Buy it from my mom.
So that was Abby. For those of you that don't know her, hop down. You want to stay? Okay. So just remember, the next time you need lipstick for an event that's not going to come off, hit me up and get you some LipSense that'll stay on through your turkey, apple, cheddar sandwich and your sweet tea from Panera. It's awesome. You'll love it, I promise.